There are lots of stories about trains. I shall tell you one myself. It takes place in a country in North America called the United States of America. One of these states in this country is Missouri, where conductor lives and goes to school. And that conductor is actually me. The name is Drew W. Train Lover. I live in the state of Missouri in a small town that nobody knows about. It's classified. I spend half of my time in Missouri helping other engines in need, especially at my home. It's where our story begins, the island of Sodor in Europe. And on that faithful day, I got a phone call from my boss.
His cell phone's ringing. I'm gonna levitate him. Oh well.
Hey Drew, you want it on the telephone. Whoa! Hello?
Hello. So, unfortunately, Thomas won't be able to run today because he is passed out on the floor and he's rather drunk. We act like we didn't take a lot from Super Mario Logan, but we took a lot from Super Mario Logan.
Oh my.
Yeah, so, due to the fact that he's blocking the turntable, it's going to take a while for, him to get back up. We're putting all trains onto a halt, so, Mr. Conductor, take a vacation.
I'd love to. Never had a vacation in a while.
Ah, yes. Well, have fun.
Thank you, sir.
The next day.
Well, time to go head out to the St. Louis Zoo. Finally, after a long car ride, I finally made it to the zoo. Where, of course, it was a long car ride, but still, I made it to the zoo, and I was ready to have myself the best day ever.
This place is amazing. I feel like I've been here before. It's like this place reminds me of something.
Now, I was definitely looking forward to a fantastic zoo visit. It's probably the best of my life. And there are so many places to choose from. However, eventually, later, I made the right decision.
Wow, this place is awesome. First stop, River's Edge. I'll go there first.
In River's Edge, there were a lot of bears and a whole lot of other animals. And man, do those bears look adorable. Just taking a good look at those bears, by golly, I thought I was enjoying myself. And needless to say, I was really happy to see cute little bears.
I'm going to Africa.
Well, not necessarily, but well, I did see a rhinoceros, and as I was walking through, I saw an Asian elephant standing big and strong, and by golly, a whole lot of people were shocked. For some reason, there was like this family following me, like what the heck, but still, there I was watching the elephants, until I saw something amazing along the way as I was walking. It was a railroad crossing.
Hello, what's this? Well, I'll be darned, it's a railroad crossing. There must be a train here. Must go find it. Hey Sniffles, where are you? Oh, this is not Happy Tree Friends. I completely forgot about that.
And while I was exploring the zoo, I saw a hog. It looked just like Mark. Well, it was one of Mark's cousins. But then something strange happened later.
Man, so many things to see. What should I see next?
Hey, dude!
Who said that?
I did.
Huh? Relax, son. Have you seen a talking train before? Well, yeah, but not like you. My name's Pierre Laclede. I'm named after someone from Missouri. You sound awfully fancy. Well, that's because I have a fancy name, so I should probably keep this name. Well, okay, it's your decision. Anyway, nice meeting you. May I take a ride? Oh, no. The line's much too long at the station. Great. But I'll send for Lewis. He'll be glad to pick you up. Until then, I must wait till my driver gets here. Well, it was nice meeting you, Pierre. Nice name. Why, thank you. I'm blue just like Thomas in your shirt. Oh, driver, you're here. All right, let's get going. Well, can't wait behind the line, please. Alright, I must be off now. Must be a really useful engine. You're just like Thomas and his friends. Just like the island Sodor. Indeed, we watch Thomas all the time. Anyway, Lewis will be here in a second. See you later. Bye, nice meeting you. Well, looks like I'm getting in line. Yes, sirree. Discovery Corner was very crowded indeed. Well, this is some great way to operate a zoo train. I can't even get to the train. And yet, you know, that engine that previously came by said that, you know, the next train wouldn't be long. And yet, where is it?
2 hours later.
Until after a long time, there came a red engine that was just red like James. His name was Lewis Clark. Lewis Clark is a Zooline engine which works at the St. Louis Zoo. He's also one of the most useful engines at the zoo. And his name is named after Lewis and Clark, famous explorers from St. Louis.
Hello to all passengers.
And there he came at the station.
Great to be here. Ah, hello. Nice to see you all. Goodness gracious. It's that Drew fellow here told me about. Seems that he's next in line. Welcome aboard, Drew.
So shortly after Lewis arrived, I boarded his train, and finally, I was off on a fantastic journey around the St. Louis Zoo on this fantastic train ride. We passed by this building that was pretty big, and it looked like a pavilion, but I think it was a pavilion actually. It was called the Living World. And then we started crossing over a trestle. And, you know, what a trestle it was. It was so amazing. Take a good look at that.
We are now entering Elephant Wood backyard habitat for our
Lewis, what seems to be the problem?
I'm having a bit of trouble. Sometimes it's hard to pull up these cars up and down hills.
to our left.
Feels very nice to be useful, running up and down the St. Louis Zoo. Here's a fun fact. We are actually powered by gasoline, which means we don't burn coal or oil, and we are not steam powered.
I personally thought it was a good way to avoid air pollution like, you know, smoke, smog, etc. And it's very eco-friendly at the zoo because, well, animals, they don't want to get poisoned by the smoke.
Underwater habitat, which is modeled after its habitat for water shop.
Signal is bright green. We have clear passage going.
The main pieces of the train come to a complete and total stop at the platform.
Smile and wave. Smile and wave. So tell me more about yourself, Lewis.
Well, I'm actually named after famous explorers from Missouri named Lewis and Clark. You must not forget that.
Well, that's interesting. Definitely some great advice. Oh, better put my mask over my nose.
Yeah, there's still a virus.
I couldn't agree more. Oh, it's like the conductor's coming back, so you better get ready.
I'm ready to go.
That's good.
Zooline Railroad.
So after a while of hanging about at the station, we were finally off to our next station on our lovely excursion. And my one excursion it was. Next thing you know, we were getting ready to approach a tunnel, which I did not know about until Lewis told me, and the conductor as well.
We are entering the first of our 3 tunnels on the railroad. This tunnel is called Waterfall Tunnel. If you look to your right, where it gets its name, it's located behind one of the many waterfalls at altitude. Beautiful.
Hey, to duck your head. We are going into a tunnel. Also, hang on to something. We're going fast. Whoosh!
Oh, Lewis! Lewis! You're going up and fast! Lewis! Oh, goodness, faster! This is the fourth time! Woohoo! Faster! Go even faster! Yeah! I'm enjoying myself. What's impossible? I don't see my tunnel. Okay, here we go. We're going up to the tunnel.
Whoa, hey, buddy, calm down. Hey, take it easy.
Lewis, what do you think you're doing to me? You're trying to end me? Lewis, what do you think? Nathan? Okay, yeah, it's here. It looks beautiful. Oh, dang, that's beauty. Wow, that's beauty. Oh, dang. I can't see anything. Everything's too dark in here. What do you think you're doing? What kind of wormhole is this? Is this some kind of tunnel? What do you think you're trying to do? Stop like the line.
Take it easy. Don't lose your cool. Nothing's up here. Look, we're almost done.
I see a light at the end of the tunnel. Okay.
We have now arrived at
Okay, we're out. Happy now?
Safely exit the train, riding with the Emerson Zooline Railroad. Please be sure to wear your masks and maintain social distancing.
What the
Enjoy
heck
your
was
day.
that?
Thanks, St. Louis Zoo.
What kind of a tunnel was that?
It's a painting tunnel. Crazy, huh?
Crazy? That was silly. I could have been killed.
No need to get mad now.
There's just no negotiating with you. You're awfully young for an engine. Why is that?
Take it easy, man. I'm new to this.
One more to make it out. I think we go back to where we started with the story.
Well, you know, that's not a good excuse for your age. You see, even Thomas could do better than that.
Will you shut up already?
Now you don't need to be rude.
Alright then. Sorry for yelling. Let's just get this show on the road. Are you ready?
We are on our way to the Wild Station. As we leave the station, we're entering the start of our 3 tunnels. A friendly reminder,
Oh, look.
do not attempt to touch the tunnel walls
I
at
see
any time. Do
cats.
not lean outside the train at any time. Thank you for your cooperation. We'll be at the Wild
Oh look, I
Station
see a
shortly.
tiger. That's a cute little tiger. Look at that. Well, this is a nice station. I wish I could stay here, but we'll kind of have another tunnel to go into. Okay, I'm ready. Well, this tunnel ain't so bad. I quite like it in here. Nothing's good bad could possibly happen. I'm gonna touch your tongue. Okay, I guess not. Well then, just going to enjoy myself. Because this is a pretty fun train ride if I do say so myself. You can hardly hear me with my mask, I apologize. It seems that we're slowing down, Lewis. Why are we slowing down?
We are approaching a steep grade. We must be
We're at the
careful.
end of the tunnel.
As we descend the hill, if you look to your right, you'll see the 1904 flight cage. The flight cage is one of the largest aviary cages in the world.
That's beautiful.
Built in 1904 and donated to St. Louis by the Smithsonian Institute
Oh,
at the end
my
of the
hand was
1904
in the way.
World Fair and Olympics.
That's awesome.
The flight cage is currently home to the Missouri Swampland exhibit, where we walk to the different species native to the Missouri wetlands and how they impact our ecosystem. As we descend the hill, if you look to our left, we're crossing the fragile forest.
Clear the crossing. I'm coming through.
Hey, look, I see another train over there, Lewis.
Look, the 4D theater. They seem to be showing Smallfoot.
I say I quite like this train. Quite a nice train ride to do on myself. I feel like half Smallfoot, and I did think it was good.
We are now pulling into the Wild Station. Here's the Wild Station. You can access the fragile forest.
The Jungle Book was for the bare necessities, something like that.
Hey, Danny.
Hi, Lewis. I'm back out.
Good for you.
Well, soon I'm gonna be able to run again, Lewis.
That's fantastic.
Oh, hello there. You must be a conductor. Indeed I am. Hello.
Alright then, one more stop and you're free to go. Ready?
Well, I'm ready as I'll ever be, so let's get this started.
Oh boy, new conductor!
A new conductor? So why do you need a new conductor?
Many employees have different jobs here.
Oh, well, thank you for telling me that. So, this is your home.
Yep, the Zooline engine shed.
Alright,
Nice
we
and
are
roomy.
preparing for takeoff, so everybody do me a favor, get out
This
of
is
the
a
plane,
train,
everything
not a
inside the
plane.
train.
Oh, we're
Good
off.
afternoon, everyone. Welcome aboard the Emerson Zooline Railroad. A couple things for your safety and comfort. You guys please remain seated, keeping arms being
Let's head to the next station. And look, the carousel!
Oh, okay, we're approaching the carousel. I can hear the Kawaki playing nice and well. I can't see it.
Stay clear of the crossing, I'm coming through! Fasten your non-existent seatbelt as we begin our descent to the Discovery Corner.
Well, thanks for the ride, Lewis. It's been a nice one. Well, I'd love to stay for the rest of it, but I kind of have to, you know, explore the zoo some more. I'll say hello to the other friends, though.
Bye, Drew. Also, be sure to check out the Penguin House.
And that was going to be my next stop. And so, as Lewis mentioned, I decided to check out the Penguin House. It also has puffins too, but yeah.
Hey, what do you know? Penguins, just like my Roblox form. Which I don't want to talk about, because we don't really do Roblox anymore.
And so, we went into this special door, and oh my gosh, what are they doing? Are they singing their own theme song? What the heck are they doing?
Why the heck is it so cold in here? Lewis didn't mention this. Oh gosh, so cold, so cold, so cold. It's so fun! It's cold in here! Fun? How can you say fun? This is cold. This is so cold. Like, so cold. What's up with me? Oh, freak this, I'm going back to the train. Okay, it has been like way too cold in here. I'm gonna go back on the train. What's going on here? I hate this door, I hate this door, I hate this door. Oh gosh, we're trapped inside. Oh no. Oh, okay, back to the train.
So I was back at the station, and there came Pure Lock Fleet, the train I first saw. Hello. Oh look, it's Drew again. Hello, nice to see you.
Nice to see you again.
Have you seen anything new at the zoo?
I've learned a lot at the zoo, thank you. Can't wait to get back on board. For one last ride until I leave to go back to my railway. So you can't hear me? My engine is rather loud, but glad you came onto the train. Well, thank you. It's such an honor to be here. I got first class. Well, congratulations. We hope you're ready. This ride's gonna be fantastic. Hop on board, driver. We've got a journey to make. We're awesome. Here, just released the brakes and we are now off. Prepare to see my engine working. Watch us go. We are off. Oh, here we go. Hear my whistle blow. Listen to my fantastic whistle blow. Did you know that we're gasoline powered? Oh yes, Lewis mentioned that before. Hang on tight, we're going through a crossing. Woo! Sorry we're going slow. This train's pulling a bit to the right. tracks, I'm coming through behind the old line. Put up on the signal. Look at the elephant. Oh, wait, wrong. Oh, wait. I don't care. I'm a really useful engine. Hang on tight. We're going through a crossing. Hang on tight. We're approaching the next crossing. Your last stop will be soon ahead. Thank you, I enjoyed my visit here. I'll see you soon. Alright, this crossing you don't really see because it's on a non-public path. So yeah. Clear the tracks, coming through, no one here, but still, coming through. Thank you for your time, gratitude. Nice bell sounds. Thank you. Thank you for visiting our zoo, by the way. Come have a ride someday, and leave your car at home. Well, Drew, here comes your last stop, so I'll be seeing you next time. Thank you, Pierre. I shall tell Thomas about you. You're awesome. All aboard! We are now pulling into the next station. Clear the tracks, clear the tracks, clear the tracks now, clear the tracks. Clear the tracks, clear the coming through. We are now at the station. Oh, only a couple passengers. Oh well. Well, I might as well stop though, because, yeah. Well, thanks for your gratitude. Thank you, Mr. Engineer. Alright, I'm off. Huh, turnstiles. Alright. Well, sure I'm gonna miss these guys. But I can't wait to tell Thomas. Uber!
Finally, I was back home on Sodor. Home at last. I wonder how Thomas is doing. Very soon, I got my answer. Thomas! Hey, buddy! Feeling sober again? Oh yes, feeling a lot more sober. No more drinking for this steam engine. Oh man, I can't wait to tell you about the many different friends I saw. Come on, buddy. Let's head up to the superstation. And so, we were off. And we traveled up the superstation, and onto the turntable, and finally into the shed. And then I got up, and I stood in front of the engines, and I told them all the story I just told you.
Through the night and into the dawn, blow that whistle and play a song. Climb on board and sing along. It's time for lots and lots of trains. Through the tunnels and the valleys low, we're traveling on these trains from long ago. Feel the rhythm and along we go. Let's sing lots and lots of trains. Lots and lots of trains. Sing along. Coming round the bend and headed down the track. Lots and lots of trains. Sing along. Coming round the bend and headed down the track. I love to listen to the sound of that clickety-clack. See the sights and hear the sounds by the city and through the town. From morning sunrise till the sun goes down, we'll sing lots and lots of trains. Day or night, rain or shine, passing by the houses and the railway signs. Over the mountains and through the pines, we'll sing lots and lots of trains. Lots and lots of trains. Sing along. Coming round the bend and headed down the track. Lots and the sound of that clickety-clack. Lots and lots of trains,
Sing along.
coming round the bend and headed down the track. Lots and lots of trains,
Sing along.
coming round the bend and headed down the track. I love to listen to the sound of that clickety-clack and the smell of that smoke coming out the stack. I'm gonna get on board and I'm not coming back.
Fuck yeah, thanks for everything! Farewell!
Coming soon from Easy Railroad Productions.